Here we are back in action with Hank. I came over here last week and diagnosed a coolant leak, which you guys might notice from the last video looks a little different. Mainly because he went and started drinking coolant. This happened because when the radiator that we replaced got damaged, it got a little hot. So, needless to say, even though we replaced the radiator, it had to go back to the guy that built the motor, and that had to get redone. So, neither here nor there. So engine's redone again, and the guy that redid the motor cheaped out, put the old water pump back on, didn't even replace the gasket on the back or anything like that. And of course, she decides to start pissing coolant, which I diagnosed last week. I'm going to put that video in at the end of this clip so you guys can see it. It's peeing out of the front of the water pump. So, Mr. LA mechanic that works on Scott's stuff when it's there, maybe could have spent the 40-50 bucks, got a water pump, because that could have killed the rebuilt motor, and then that would have been on you. So, yeah. Anyway, currently draining the radiator, and I'm gonna start disassembling. All right, so I got the shroud and the fan spacer out. Yep, we're still draining coolant. Bucket over. There we go. That's cute. Looks like somebody forgot to adjust the alternator. That's flopping about aimlessly. And that's the only one that turns the water pump too, so that's absolutely lovely. It's actually supposed to be 2 belts there, but it's fine. So now I need to undo our alternator. Here. Get those done. Coming along. Alright, so there was a hokey shaved down bolt in here. That was cute. I had this shaved down nut on the other side of the spacer. Extra cute. Now there's a random stud. Where the fuck is it? There it is. And it's so long that I can't get the compressor bracket to slide off. And there's a random nut behind the power steering bracket. Back in here. Fun, lots of hokey. One of those it fits it ships type deal, I guess. And now this fitting, gonna try to get that out. That's gonna be a fucking hoot. The old jam nut trick works again. Alright, so there was nuts behind the compressor bracket, because obviously brake hardware is long missing. And that's one of them for the compressor and power steering. So I just need to take that bolt out, and then we have nice easy access to our pump. Alright, all of our brackets are finally off, and we have nice clean access to our pump. Finally. So going along with everything that comes back from LA Mechanic is full of surprises. We went to Home Depot in the damn sprinkler section. Alright, pump is off. No draining. Gonna have to clean that up just a little bit. But here's where they screwed up on the old pump. Leaking here out of the back cover. And you know, that gasket comes in the gasket set with the rebuild kit. You know, the whole engine gasket set. 5 minutes, could replace that. Not be doing this, but that's okay. I'm putting a full fresh pump on. It's 100% new. And, well, that's dripping out of the wheat bowl. Look at that. Well, it was done either way, but could have at least looked at that and noticed that prior, because that trail's been there a while. Yep, definitely a trail. New pups is lined up. A little bit of silicone on the gaskets both sides, silicone on the bolts. Tighten that down. Start putting our accessories in. Pumps mounted. Had to put the old sprinkler fitting back in. But it's all good. It's fine. Already got our alternator bracket mounted up and bolted in. Gonna do our power steering bracket next. And then our massive compressor bracket. Plugging away. Alright, we're looking good. Got all our accessories mounted. We have our belts mocked up. Put our fan and our shroud back. Put back our upper hose. Tighten up all of our accessories. And then this baby gets fired up. So Scott was also asking about why it was overheating. Well, good old LA mechanic. I haven't turned this over yet. I set it down straight out of the truck. You can actually go back and see. Fucking moron had the fan on backwards. Of course it's not gonna cool. And the leak didn't help. What an idiot. Alright, so everything's ready. We're gonna fire up. Let this baby burp a little bit. Let it run. Probably run a lot better now that the fan's going the right direction. Old Hank's up and running. Gotta let it burp. Pop it off.